Good morning. I'm making pecan cheesecake pie. It's a great pie. It has a layer of cheesecake. It has the regular pecan filling and then the pecans on top. You wouldn't recognize it as being a pecan cheesecake pie because it looks not like a regular pecan pie on top. Well, let's get started. On Darlene's table. Alright, we're going to start with the brown sugar and flour. Now I'm going to mix this real well. We don't want those, sometimes that brown sugar has little hard lumps. We want to, if you can't break them up, we want to be sure and take them out. Now the light Karo syrup, corn syrup, light corn syrup. We're going to mix this real well and over a medium heat. We're going to cook this over a medium heat, but only long enough to see the little bubbles. Right there, you see the bubbles? Stop. Now we're going to turn the heat off this right now. If you let this bubble up, you're going to change the whole texture of this pecan filling. Alright, now we're adding the butter and vanilla bean paste. I guess you've noticed I really like vanilla bean paste. We're going to mix this, let the butter melt, and then set it aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to cool some. Next, I'm going to make the cream cheese filling for this pie. Alright, 12 ounces of cream cheese, the sugar, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and vanilla bean paste. Ta-da! Alright, we're going to mix this real well. And this will be the layer that we put in the bottom of the crust. But it winds up just under the pecans at the top during the cooking process. I'm going to put the pecan pie filling into this measuring cup with a spout. It'll be a lot easier for me to drizzle it into the eggs. So I have 4 eggs that I'm going to mix well. And I'm going to slowly drizzle this pecan pie filling into it. If you go too fast, you're going to have scrambled eggs here. Now into the 11-inch pie crust. I'm putting the cream cheese mixture into the bottom of the crust and I'm going to spread it around evenly. The pecans go on top of this, and this is a completely baked pie shell. Got 1.5 cups of pecans. Over the top of this will go the pecan pie filling mixture. During the cooking process, the cream cheese rises to the top, so it's just under the pecans. And you'll have the pecan pie filling at the bottom. Alright, I'm putting this silicone pie ring around my crust because it is completely baked and I don't want it to brown anymore. Going into the oven at 350 degrees, we'll bake this for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now I do have a convection oven, so it bakes a little differently than a regular oven. At 50 minutes, I put the foil over the top to prevent the pecans from browning anymore. That looks really good. You see no jiggle? This was 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alright, the pie was in the refrigerator overnight. You want to be sure and chill this thoroughly. I really like this pie. To me, a pecan pie by itself is just a little too sweet over the top. But with this cheesecake layer, I think it's perfect. Check this out. The pecan filling sank to the bottom, the pecans floated to the top, and the cheesecake went to the middle. That's pretty cool, huh? And more than cool, the taste is awesome. It's a cheesecake wrapped in pecan pie, and that makes for a pretty darn good piece of pie. Well, I have some more tricks up my sleeve, so be sure to stay tuned. And if you like this trick, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell so you'll be notified every time we post a video. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.